तुझसा कोई तेरे जैसा हंसी कोई नहीं, तुझसा हंसी तेरे जैसा कोई, तुझसा कोई तेरे जैसा हंसी कोई नहीं. Welcome with David Ariel, singer and researcher, always with you. That's music like that, vocal, also great, and word. But is mine like my lyrics and great vocal music. कम से कम बताया तो होता. Be with us, David Ariel, singer and researcher, always with you. In my childhood, that time, one person gave me little heart with great red flowers. One flower and one heart. But till now, I want to attach heart with a flower. That's great. One time, will be we together over there, heart and flower. When he going back to America after that, he sent me that flower and heart. Be forever, meaning his name, forever. Meaning his name, forever. हमेशा, हमेशा, हमेशा रहने वाले. Be with us, David Ariel, singer and researcher, always with you.